Hey guys, how are you? This is Milan here, day number 8 of the challenge, and today's challenge is all about how AADME has helped me to grow until now. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Milan. I was totally new to the digital marketing industry and I tried to explore about digital marketing from the internet, and I came to a conclusion that I can learn about digital marketing on my own without anyone's help from the internet. I did research the best channel to learn digital marketing online, and I did find Alok sir's channel as the best channel to learn digital marketing. And when I learned that Alok sir also conducts online one-to-one training sessions about digital marketing, I didn't think much and I joined the training immediately. It's been 2 months now, and I have realized that joining ADME was one of the best decisions of my life. And if I had opted to learn digital marketing on my own from the internet, I could have really wasted a hell lot of time. Many may teach digital marketing, but no one would teach life with digital marketing, which is a real subject to learn, and Alok sir teaches that the best. Many can teach digital marketing, but only ADME can give a promise of lifetime mentorship. So if you're thinking to learn digital marketing, I just have one message for you. Knowledge without practice is useless, and practice without knowledge is dangerous. So do not end up becoming useless or dangerous. Join ADME right now. Hey guys, that's the end of my challenge for day number 8. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Signing off for now, your friend Milan.